Hello guys, in this video I am going to unbox Flipkart SmartBuy KM-206W wireless mouse. I bought it for 314 rupees, which is a good one for that price. If you want to buy this product, then check out the description below. I put the link there. If you slide this cover, you can see inside one USB receiver and 1.5 volt AA battery. We can see small magnet which is holding this USB receiver, which is good. I want to just show you my new mouse and old wireless mouse. I modified this old mouse. If you want to see that video, then please leave a comment. My old mouse, to turn off, I want to slide the switch, or it will turn off if I wait some minutes or seconds. That will drain the battery. In this mouse, when the computer turned off, and if you click the mouse, it will automatically turn off, and when the computer turned on, if you click again, then it will turn on. I hope you like this video. If you did, hit the like button. Also, leave your comment. For more like this video, then please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Thank you for watching.